What's up guys, back with another video, and this video is another duel headed with a viewer, and this time we had the theme of My Dress Up Darling, a pretty famous anime. Watched the first episode, quite liked it, so I thought let's do a themed header on this. So if you want to join the next video, make sure to join my Discord server, which is in the link in the description, and message me that you're interested in having a duel. So the designer that I have today is Nova Designs. You can check him out on Twitter if you want, and here's a couple of his designs on his portfolio. I think he has quite a unique style. I love his 3D text. Go check him out on Twitter if you want to see more of his work, and let's jump straight in his design. He started first, of course, and then I was the middleman, and then he finished the design. So this was his first design. It's just a couple of just some placing of renders, some text, and some hard icons. I think it's very simple. The colors are very nice, but I think I can do something with this. So the first thing I did is, of course, the text, and I made some simple 3D text in Photoshop. What I did is just copy the layer, made it 3D. I have a lot of tutorials on how I do this, and I went with a brush with a simple darker color and gave it some shadows. And that's why it looks like it's made in Cinema 4D or 3D software. I just make it look that way. I think it is a very simple process to do, but just it takes a lot of time. But in the end, it looks like a nice 3D text. That's what I did. And then I just placed some more renders in it, and some more icons, and some more text. This is my end result. I don't know about the renders on the left. I just placed them. He can do something with them, and then some stars in the back from my anime pack also, which is on my PayHip store if you want it. I'll just show you what he did, and then I'll talk more about the work that we did. So this is the end result. I quite like it. I like that he put another gradient map on top of my renders. The color correction is very nice, has a more of that gold look to it. Maybe I should put an express somewhere, but I didn't know where to put anything. Of course, I always like to work with other people, see what they do with my style, or see I do with their style. It's always a nice collaboration with viewers. So I'll just put them side by side from the start to the end, and then the start you can really see it's a bit bland, and then the middle you can see clearly that where we're going with the theme and where we're going with the colors. I think one color is very nice to have. The main render still has all the colors. I think that's a nice touch, and then the background is one main color. Maybe the text could be another color, but I don't think it's that noticeable or like that distracting. So yeah, I really liked making this design. I'll probably do more in the future as well, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.